Welcome students. During this class, we are going to study. During previous class, we have studied about barometer, and during this class, we are going to study about weather changes due to variation of atmospheric pressure. So here it is. Variation of in atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up. The atmospheric pressure on mountains is lower than at sea level. Why it is lower than sea level? At a height of about 30 kilometers, the atmospheric pressure becomes only 7 mm of mercury, which is approximately 1000 pascal. It would become zero at an altitude where there is no air. Thus, we can determine the altitude of a place by knowing the atmospheric pressure at that place. These are some of the usage where it can be used. Altitude of the peaks can be calculated with the help of the atmospheric pressure at that place. So what happens when and why this atmospheric pressure is decreasing when we move up? Because we have already discussed during our earlier classes, the air molecules from the upper surface moves downward. The more you are moving towards the planes of the earth, more that molecules will be closer to the earth due to earth's gravitational force. So it will result in increase in the pressure. More you move above the surface of the earth towards the high peaks, less will be the molecules suspended in the air, which will result in decrease in the pressure. So what will be the ratio of decrease? This is the answer. The atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up. The atmospheric pressure on the mountains is lower than at the sea level, and maximum it is at sea level. At a height of about 30 kilometer, the atmospheric pressure becomes only 7 mm of mercury, which is approximately 1000 pascal. It would become zero at an altitude where there is no air. Thus, we can determine the altitude of any place. This is one of the most important applications of calculating the atmospheric pressure and uses of this atmospheric pressure. We can also determine the altitude of a place by knowing the atmospheric pressure at that place. You may be asked any time, which techniques you will use to calculate the altitude of any place by knowing the atmospheric pressure. So this is the answer. So effects of weather under atmospheric pressure. And what will be the effect of weather under the atmospheric pressure? Yes, there is effect of weather. On a hot day, air above the earth becomes hot and expands. With the expansion, it becomes light. This causes a fall of atmospheric pressure in that region. It means during cold, chilly nights, air above the earth cools down. This causes an increase in the atmospheric pressure. So this is the reason where the atmospheric pressure will be more and where it will be less. When you expand the air molecule, the separation between the air molecules increases. Due to this, the air becomes light, which causes a fall of atmospheric pressure in that region. But when it's a cold, chilly nights above the earth, the air cools down. The air molecules comes closer to each other, which results in increase in atmospheric pressure. So expected weather changes due to the variation of atmospheric pressure. What are the expectations? Expected weather changes, pressure. The changes in the atmospheric pressure at a certain place indicate the expected changes in the weather condition at that place. What are the indication? We will go next, but let's once again see the changes in the atmospheric pressure at a certain place indicates the expected changes in the weather condition at that place. So this is the importance of atmospheric pressure. The geological or other weather agencies which are responsible to predict the weather changes, they undergo such studies and the researches to find out when and where the weather changes will take place. These are the techniques used. Decrease in atmospheric pressure. What happens? A gradual and average drop in atmospheric pressure means a low pressure in a neighboring locality. A gradual and average drop in atmospheric pressure means a low pressure in a neighboring locality. Now, number two, minor but rapid fall in temperature indicates a showery condition in the nearby places. So this is the effect of decrease in temperature. When it will be showery condition, rapid change in fall in atmospheric pressure will result in nearby places. And gradual average drop in atmosphere means low pressure in the neighboring locality. And where there is low pressure, if the sudden fall in the pressure, this will indicate the windy and showery condition in the nearby places. So this is the effect of decrease of the atmospheric pressure. A decrease in atmospheric pressure accompanied by breeze and rain. So this is the effect of decrease in atmospheric pressure. A sudden fall in atmospheric pressure, often followed by storm, rain, typhoon, to occur in few places. You know what happens whenever air gets heated? With the heating of the air, the gas molecules rises up. At the same time, they becomes lighter. Their density becomes lighter. They moves in upper direction. Light object always moves up. At the same time, there are air molecules which are colder and they are heavier. Whenever a vacuum is created by the lighter or the heated molecules of the air from the closer to the Earth's surface, they move up. At the same time, the vacant place is produced. To fill up the vacant place, the colder molecules which are closer to each other and heavier as well, they move in downward direction, and as a result, it results into storm and other types of typhoon and occurs in the places. Increase in atmospheric pressure. What will be the effect of increase in atmospheric pressure? We have already discussed the decrease in atmospheric pressure, and now we are studying about understanding about the increase of in atmospheric pressure. And increasing atmospheric pressure with the later decline later on predict an intense weather condition. Intense weather condition is predicted by increasing atmospheric pressure. A gradually large increase in atmospheric pressure indicates a long spell of pleasant weather. You know, these are the main points to understand. A gradually large increase in atmospheric pressure indicates a long spell of pleasant weather. A rapid increase in atmospheric pressure means that it will soon be followed by a decrease in the atmospheric pressure, indicating poor weather conditions. Or a rapid increase, a gradual large increasing, or increasing only. These are the three main points at this time to understand. One is gradually large, that indicates the pleasant weather. One is the rapid increase, which indicates that the weather will be a poor one, poor weather ahead. So we have discussed about the increase in atmospheric pressure. At the end, increase in atmospheric pressure has some effects on atmosphere with the weather. So here it is decrease, sudden fall, sudden decrease. So decrease in atmospheric pressure. First of all, what happens? The changes in atmospheric pressure at a certain place indicate the expected changes in the weather condition. There are two possibilities. One is decrease in atmospheric pressure, and the other one is increase in atmospheric pressure. With this, our class ends up.